Ready to take control of your finances? In this video, we'll show you how to invest in your financial literacy and set yourself up for success. Whether you're a beginner or already have some financial knowledge, there's always more to learn. So let's dive in. Imagine having the knowledge and skills to make informed decisions about your money. That's the power of financial literacy. By understanding the basics of personal finance, you can take charge of your financial future and make your money work for you. So, where do you start? Begin by learning the fundamental concepts of budgeting, saving, and investing. Budgeting helps you track your income and expenses, allowing you to make wiser financial choices. Saving builds a safety net for emergencies and future goals. And investing puts your money to work, generating wealth over time. But financial literacy goes beyond the basics. It also involves understanding credit, managing debt, and planning for retirement. Knowing how to use credit responsibly can help you achieve your goals without falling into a debt trap. And planning for retirement ensures a comfortable future where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Investing in your financial literacy pays off in numerous ways. You'll gain confidence in your financial decision-making, reduce financial stress, and open up opportunities for financial growth. Plus, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complex world of money and investments. So, how can you invest in your financial literacy? One way is by reading books, blogs, and articles on personal finance. There are also online courses and workshops available to expand your knowledge. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who prioritize financial well-being can also be beneficial. Don't forget about the power of practice. Put your knowledge into action by setting financial goals, creating a budget, and tracking your progress. As you gain experience, you'll become more proficient in managing your finances and making strategic financial decisions. Remember, investing in your financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Continuously seek opportunities to learn and grow. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to secure your financial future and achieve your goals. Ready to take control of your finances? Learn the secrets to financial success. Discover how to make your money work for you. Unlock the key to a brighter financial future. Unleash your potential. Start today.